Let's try to solve now a word problem using optimization solution, or this is an optimization problem rather. So let's let's have an equation out of the problem and also base for the given 20 feet, 15 feet, 6 feet, and 5 feet. So I came up with this equation based on the informations with this problem. So that is the first one. What I did is cross multiply, so it becomes, so that is now the initial answer for this, or initial equation, since we cross multiply them. Now we move xy to this side since they have the same variable x, and we try to isolate those variables that doesn't to separate also x. So it becomes, so that is now what happens. Now you divide both sides by this equation so that it will cancel out here. To cancel out here, and it will be put in under this equation, so it becomes, so that is now what happens. Now we will solve this using the quotient rule. So we all know the quotient rule: low derivative of high minus high derivative of low over low squared. So it becomes dx over dt is equal to, so that is now what happens after you use quotient rule for this particular equation. Now you try to isolate when this one side only, the y prime, or the dy over dt. Then combine the different variables. So this negative 15, and since they have negative here, becomes positive 15y. So the, the solution for, or the equation that will happen to this is, so that's how it's done. As you can see, it's dy over dt is the same thing as y prime here. So dy over dt we put so that it's not a bit confusing. Now we try to solve this upper portion. It becomes, so that's what happens now. Now let's substitute the value of y with 5, since given here is 5 feet and the dy over dt is 6 feet. So it becomes, so that is now the equation, and we're almost done. We just have to solve this in the calculator. Now the answer for this is dx over dt is equal to 8. Now the question for this is, how fast does his shadow move along the wall when he is 5 feet from the house? So this is now the final answer, and we will use feet as the unit, or feet per second. So he fast fast he moves along the wall by 8 feet per second. And so there you have it, our final answer. I hope you guys understand, and thank you.